Below is a clear step-by-step solving method in simple English. You can use this directly in your assignment. Step-by-step solving method, MS Access, Challenge Yourself 3.3. Step 1. Open MS Access. Open Microsoft Access. Click on Blank Database. Give the database a suitable name. Click Create. Step 2. Create tables. Go to Create Table Design. Add required fields, for example, ID, primary key, name, date, quantity, price. Set correct data types for each field. Save the table with a proper name. Step 3. Set primary key. Select the ID field. Click on primary key. This ensures each record is unique. Step 4. Enter data. Switch to datasheet view. Enter sample records according to the question. Save the table. Step 5. Create query. Go to Create Query Design. Add the required table. Select necessary fields. Apply conditions, if given in the question. Save the query. Step 6. Create form. Go to Create Form. Choose the table or query. This form is used for easy data entry. Save the form. Step 7. Create report. Go to Create Report. Select the query or table. Format the report properly. Save the report. Step 8. Verify results. Check. Tables are correct. Query gives correct output. Form opens and saves data. Report displays correct information. Step 9. Save and close. Save all objects. Close MS Access properly.